Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you weekly horoscope for all of you based on moon sign. You can take this weekly horoscope according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant as well as according to your Lagna Rashi. Weekly horoscope week commencing 28th September till 4th October for all of you 2020. Aquarius for this coming week, Aquarius. Transit of moon for Aquarius in 12th house, 26th September till 28th September. Transit of moon in 12th house. When the moon is transit in 12th house, when the moon is transit 12th house signifies financial loss. When the moon is transit 12th house, this particular period sees your finances going through the rough phase. When the moon is transit 12th house, expenses can be sky high. Take care of your valuable items and assets. When the moon is transit 12th house, expenses can be sky high and you might be susceptible to losing something valuable, something very precious by cheating, deception, fraud or theft, or you lose something very precious. Yes. Avoid doing anything that will create the biggest financial burden for you, especially when the moon is transiting in the 12th house. At that time, be careful with your undertaking. You may not get the desired result of your investment. When the moon is transit 12th house, health needs attention. Take care of your eyesight. You're susceptible to infection, particularly in this phase of time. Mentally, you become restless and distressed. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, you're likely to develop letharginess, jealousy, negative mentality. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, be careful with your decisions and choices while dealing with people. You become over impulsive in your behavior during this phase of time. Think before going forward with your plan. You may indulge in doing unjust deed, get carried away with your power or position of authority. When the moon is transit 12th house, on the home front, be careful with your relationship. You may develop unnecessary enmity with the people around you. You may have to take care of yourself, maintaining respect and honor in society, especially when the moon is in the 12th house. You have to be extra careful about your conduct, financial conduct, professional conduct, as well as personal conduct. At the same time, you should not allow third party to interfere in your business. When the moon is transiting 12th house, that time, please. Transit of moon for Aquarius in 1st house, 28th September till 30th of September. Transit of moon in 1st house. Transit of moon in 1st house. When the moon is transit in 1st house, this period ensures you get the excellent result in a most convenient way. You'll enjoy comfort, luxuries, lifestyles, companionship, friendship, support, guidance, sympathy, love, affection, care. You're enjoying thoroughly, and you'll be mentally, physically, emotionally satisfied. Companions are there, best friends are there, support you, guide you. Personal life will also get a happy boost. Professional life will also get a happy boost when the moon is transiting in the 1st house, with a great improvement in your circumstances. Love in the air. Overall, you'll be happy when the moon is transiting in the 1st house. Good fortune will come to you. You'll experience appreciation from your own people at workplace, and you feel honored when the moon is transiting in the 1st house. This could termed as hassle-free time for you, for your family. You'll be out of any misery, of any health issues. When the moon is transiting in the 1st house, a feeling of tranquility will give you contentment. Try not to become too sensitive in your feeling. What is good for you? What is not good for you? This particular period could be signify good days financially. You might be able to recover some old dues, attaining financial goal, achieving progression in your undertaking. When the moon is transiting in the 1st house. Transit of moon for Aquarius in 2nd house, 30th of September till 3rd of October. Transit of moon in 2nd house. When the moon is transit 2nd house, at that time, when the moon is transiting in 2nd house, be careful with your finances. There's a tendency to lose money if you're not very careful. When the moon is transiting in 2nd house, keep a close eye on your expenditure. You will be tempted to spend money unnecessarily. You will be tempted to invest money unnecessarily. Be extra careful when you're dealing or mingling with people around you. Don't take every pokey pie people are saying to you will work for you. No. People can make any statement, but that doesn't mean that all the statements are ultimately universal truth. The answer is no. If you're taking every literally word, if somebody raising your hopes and telling you pokey and telling you a shortcut to success, don't believe it. Please. You can never replace hard work and time. You want to achieve success, you have to invest hard work and time. And when you realize, you end up fighting with these kind of people. People can cheat you, fraud your time, fraud your money, and run away with your hard-earning money. You have to guard your negative mentality, which you can act out of frustration, negative mentality or stress. And that particular action will backfire on your reputation. Don't do that. Obstacles in your workplace are there. When the moon is transit in second house, obstacles in your workplaces come up, but stick on. These are temporary obstacles, not permanent. You have to work hard. You have to invest time. You have to be sincere and honest with yourself. Physically, you feel down and your eyes may create a problem for you during this particular time. Mentally, you feel less content than usual. Moreover, this time period, you're not enjoying anything. You're disappointed and frustrated. But this is a temporary phase, not permanent. Go with the flow if you want to achieve your success. Go with the flow without wasting any time. When the transit of moon in second house, go with the flow. Do the best with your hard work. Invest more time. Listen to the well-wishers, not people who are telling pokey pie. There's no shortcut to success whatsoever. In this coming week, Aquarius, you got to sort out your Sun, Venus, Saturn, Rahu. You must sort out your Sun, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Aquarius, for the prevention of any kind of loss of status, prestige and honor, loss of reputation, loss of personal relationship, loss of health, happiness and harmony. You got to sort out your Sun, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, please. And if you can sort out these, with the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out your planet for your best. If you want a complete weekly horoscope report, then kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full weekly horoscope report and achieve your best. Implement the report in your routine, please. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complications and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website, prakashastrologer.com, because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.